Most people don't know this, but you can actually make money online with ChatGPT, and the best part, you don't even need a website or any investment. Plus, it works from anywhere in the world. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how people are making money with ChatGPT completely for free. Hello and welcome to Creative Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into a method that's both free and accessible to anyone. Making money online using ChatGPT. This tutorial will be simple to follow, and you'll get everything you need. From finding content ideas to publishing posts and setting up revenue streams. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to start making money. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon. Now let's get started. Sign up for ChatGPT. Our first step is to get set up with ChatGPT, which will be our main tool throughout this tutorial. To get started, go to chatgpt.com and sign up if you haven't already. The great thing is that ChatGPT is free to use, so all you need to do is create an account, log in, and you're ready to go. ChatGPT will be a huge time saver because we're going to use it to generate content quickly and easily, which will make the entire process smooth. Explore successful Instagram pages for inspiration. Now, the key to creating popular content is to first understand what's already working well. So, for our next step, we're going to research Instagram pages that are successfully using a similar content style. There are countless faceless Instagram accounts posting motivational and inspirational quotes, and these types of pages consistently get thousands of likes and massive engagement. Some great examples include pages like Hustling Income, which has more than 500,000 followers. What's great about these kind of pages is that they use a simple yet effective formula, posting relatable, motivational quotes that are visually appealing and easy to consume. Take some time to explore these pages and notice the simplicity of their posts. These are usually just minimalistic backgrounds with a bold quote in the center. Despite the simplicity, they're incredibly effective at drawing attention and engaging users. Gather a sample of high-performing quotes. The next thing we're going to do is create a collection of quotes to give ChatGPT a starting point. Go through these popular Instagram pages and screenshot at least 5 to 10 posts that you notice have high engagement. These should be posts with lots of likes, comments, or shares because they show you what type of content resonates well with an audience. Screenshots are perfect for this step because we'll upload these images to ChatGPT so it can analyze the content and understand the tone, style, and wording that work well in the motivational niche. By basing your content on successful examples, you're setting yourself up for a higher chance of success. Use ChatGPT to generate your own unique quotes. Now that you've gathered some examples, it's time to put ChatGPT to work. Head back to ChatGPT and use the upload function to attach the screenshots you just collected. Then, ask ChatGPT to create 100 motivational quotes similar to these examples. This is where the power of AI comes in. ChatGPT will take those high-performing examples and produce 100 unique quotes for you, keeping the same motivational tone and structure that's already proven to work. This approach is incredibly efficient because instead of spending hours coming up with individual quotes, ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting in seconds. And by having 100 quotes ready, you've already got a few months' worth of content lined up if you're posting daily. Design your quotes using Canva. Now that we have our quotes, it's time to design them so they're visually appealing for Instagram. For this, we're going to use Canva, which is a free and beginner-friendly design tool. Visit canva.com and go to the search bar. Type in Instagram quote templates, and you'll find a wide variety of pre-made designs tailored specifically for quotes. Choose a template that you like, and then click Customize this template. Canva gives you the freedom to personalize each design, so you can adjust the colors, add your own username or logo, and even change the fonts. You can experiment with different colors, but keep your feed looking clean. Use Canva's bulk creation tool to save time. Canva has an amazing feature called Bulk Create that will make this step super fast. On Canva, go to the Apps tab on the left-hand side, search for Bulk Create, and select it. Now choose Enter Data manually, and copy all 100 quotes from ChatGPT into the text field. Once that's done, click Done to upload all your quotes to Canva in one step. Now, go back to your chosen template, select the main text element, click on Connect Data, and apply the quotes. Finally, click on Generate 100 Designs. And Canva will instantly create 100 individual Instagram-ready quote posts with just one click. This is a huge time saver, especially if you plan on posting daily. You'll have more than 3 months of content prepared and ready to go. Download your completed designs. Once all your designs are ready, it's time to download them. Click on the Share button in Canva, choose Download as PNG, select all pages and click Download. This will compile all 100 posts into a single folder on your computer so you have easy access to all your content. With all these posts ready to go, you can now focus on publishing and promoting them. Monetizing your Instagram page. Now that you have a steady stream of content, let's look at the various ways you can monetize your Instagram page. Here are a few strategies that work well for motivational pages. Sell digital products. A simple way to start making money is by selling digital products. You don't need to create these products from scratch. Instead, you can download free resources from a community like Online Business Friends and School. This online community offers a library of free digital products, such as ebooks, guides, templates, and more, which are created by other entrepreneurs and are available for free download. Once you have these resources, you can go to 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, a platform that lets you sell digital products with no upfront costs. Upload your chosen product to 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, and it will provide you with a unique link that you can share. Place this link in your Instagram bio and use your motivational post to drive traffic to it. Every time someone buys through your link, you make money. Affiliate marketing. Another great option is affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your link. One excellent platform for finding affiliate offers is Amazon, which has a wide range of products in the business. On Amazon, you can browse through affiliate offers, many of which pay high commissions. You can also maximize engagement by crafting some posts that mention the product's benefits subtly or share your own success stories too. Encourage your followers to check it out. Faceless YouTube automation. If you're looking to expand further, consider setting up a faceless YouTube channel that shares motivational quotes, stories, or short video clips. This technique, known as YouTube automation, has helped countless creators drive huge revenue. By combining simple quotes, royalty-free background music, and AI-generated voiceovers, you can create short, engaging videos that attract thousands of views. Link your YouTube videos to your Instagram page and vice versa to boost your reach and promote your monetized links. You can also add affiliate links in YouTube video description. If a viewer makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. So there you have it. You've now the tools to start making money online with ChatGPT, even without a website. With just a few clicks in ChatGPT and Canva, you can generate high-quality content in minutes, saving hours that you can instead spend on growing your page and making money. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to Creative Hustle and hitting the bell icon for more making money video. Let me know in the comments what is your best method of making money online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.